Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will discuss about the Fantasy 11 teams which is to be played in the IPL match today. Fantasy teams, you can play in Dream 11, My 11 Circle, My Fab 11 and many more are there. So what 11 players might perform well? Regarding all these topics, we will discuss. Who will be your captain, wicket keeper, batsman, bowler, what will be the pitch report, everything we will discuss. So stay with me with the till the end of the video. Okay, to start with, the match will be played at Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad. As you have seen earlier, the IPL matches were being played at Mumbai and Delhi. No, not Delhi, Chennai. So now those venues have been shifted to Ahmedabad and Delhi. So today's match will be played at the Narendra Modi Stadium, which is the largest ground in the world, largest stadium in the world. Okay, so the teams to be played are Delhi Capitals and Royal Challengers Bangalore. Delhi Capitals captained by Rishabh Pant and Royal Challengers Bangalore captained by Virat Kohli. So first of all, I would like to tell you about the pitch. As you have seen earlier, in Mumbai the pitch was batting friendly. Huge scores were being scored in most of the matches, and pace bowlers had got some help. But in Chennai, things were opposite. It was not batting friendly. It was a spin type of pitch. The spinners were unplayable at Chennai. So what about this ground, this Narendra Modi Stadium at Ahmedabad? Yesterday's match also you have seen. See, yesterday it was a low scoring game, but this doesn't mean that pitch is bad. Actually, the pitch is a green pitch and there are small grasses on the pitch. So it clearly means it will aid the fast bowlers. At the same time, the batsman can also score some quick runs if they play well. Although yesterday's match saw a very low scoring game, but this doesn't mean that all the games will be low scoring only. Today you might see some of the high scores, as you have players like Maxwell and De Villiers in RCB team. Also in Delhi team you have Rishabh Pant, Dhawan and others. So today you might be seeing a high scoring game also. Well, nobody can say for sure about that. So I'm just talking about the probabilities. Anyways, uh, whatever I see in this video is just for your information only. Don't think that some people think that if we take this team we'll definitely win. Nobody can claim. Actually, nobody can claim. In other videos in YouTube or other places, you can see many people will say 100% guaranteed winnings. Actually, there does not exist any such thing. Everybody can predict only, and the results of the game are based on probability only. Nothing to be guaranteed. So, game playing at your own risk. Money is yours, winning is yours, and risk is also yours. So, have a look at the video. I hope you will stay with me till the end of the video to have a proper understanding of the game. Okay. So about the pitch report, there are grasses on the pitch as I told you earlier. So it clearly means fast bowlers will be aided. So you can take more and more fast bowlers in the team. Try not to take much of spinners. One or two if you want to take, you can take, but I would prefer fast bowlers only. And batsman can also get some quick runs. So captain, vice captain, you should make from batsman only. Don't make from bowlers for this today's game. Although there are many pitches in the game, and some pitches are made of red soil and some are of black soil. Yesterday's match was played on the pitch made of black soil. That's why pacers got proper support. If it is played on red soil, pitch might break and spinners might get support. So that will be cleared after the toss only, and that time there won't be much time left. So I can't make a video at that time. You have to check it yourself. For now, I will tell you the information which is known till now, based on yesterday's game, based on the earlier games played between India, England and all these. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the teams. Okay, so these are the probable 11 in the two teams, Delhi and Bangalore, both you can see. Dhawan and Shaw will open the innings, and Steven Smith at number 3, Rishabh Pant at number 4, followed by Hetman, Stoinis, and then the bowlers. In Bangalore also you can see Padikkal and Kohli will open. Sabaz Ahmed, well, the number 3 is still under doubt. Either Sabaz Ahmed or Rajat Patidar. Even if none of these two play, then as you seen in the last match, Washington Sundar was opening. So, well, that we will be able to know after toss only or when they start the game. Okay, so the four categories: wicket keeper, batsman, all rounder, and bowlers. We'll discuss one by one. Okay, first we'll take the wicket keepers. So, who all wicket keepers we are having? See, in the Delhi team, you are having Rishabh Pant as wicketkeeper, and here you have AB de Villiers. Well, both of them can't be left, so for now we will take Pant as well as de Villiers, both in our team. Now let's have a look at the batsmen. So batsman you have Dhawan, Shaw, Steve Smith, and Shimran Hetmyer. Four batsmen in the Delhi Capitals you are having, and in Bangalore you have Padikkal, Kohli, and then well, no other batsmen. Remaining are all rounders and bowlers. So out of these, which all batsmen you can take? Okay, we go for Dhawan. Definitely you have to take him. Prithvi Shaw also, and Steven Smith also I prefer. So these three batsmen will be taking. Shimran Hetmyer comes down the order. So if you have confidence on him, then only take. Otherwise, don't take. So for now, I am leaving Shimran Hetmyer. And here, Padikkal and Kohli both we have to take because they are openers. Okay, so these are the bowlers. So total, how many? Not bowlers. This is the batsmen. So how many we have taken players total? 1, 2, 3 from Delhi, and two batsmen from RCB, and two wicket keepers we have taken. So total till now we have taken 7 players. Okay, 4 more players we need to take. Okay, fine. Let me clear it. Now let's have a look at the all-rounders. Well, all-rounder section is in these two teams. All-rounder section is a bit confusing because you don't have that type of great all-rounders, and whoever the all-rounders they come quite down the order. So Marcus Stoinis. First, let us underline the all-rounders to have a better look. Marcus Stoinis. So then Lalit Yadav is also considered as all-rounder only. Akshar Patel also, and in this Bangalore team, Shabaz Ahmed if he plays. Rajat Patidar I don't think he will be playing. Well, that will be clear after the toss only. Glenn Maxwell, Washington Sundar, Daniel Christian and Daniel Sams both are all-rounders only. Only one of them will play. After that, Kyle Jamieson, he is a bowler, but you can get the benefit of his batting also. Okay, let's check out which are all-rounders we need to take. Well, first of all, Glenn Maxwell, he is in great form, so we take him blindly. After that, who else? Well, as it is a pace pitch, fast ball type of pitch, if the same pitch continues as yesterday, well, that also might change because after the toss only we'll get to know on which pitch, the black soil pitch or red soil pitch, where the game will be played. Okay, if it is played on the grassy pitch only, then we will take Marcus Stoinis because he balls pace also and he can also score some quick runs. Lalit Yadav you can leave. Akshar Patel is a spinner. He's a good player. He can contribute the bat also, but in a pace pitch you can't take risk of taking Akshar Patel. Here Shabaz Ahmed, if he comes at number 3, then you can take, and if not, then you can leave because in that case Glenn Maxwell will come at number 3. Washington Sundar I will leave. He hasn't performed to the mark. Even in last match he got to play at number 3. Okay, if he plays at number 3 you can take him, Washington Sundar also, but if not, then don't take because at number 7 or number 6 what will perform. In bowling also he hasn't shown that much of proper bowling in this season. Daniel San or Daniel Christian, well, Daniel Sams is a pacer, so you can try him if you wish, but I don't suggest. So out of the all-rounders, whom all we have taken, Glenn Maxwell and Marcus Stoinis. 2 all-rounders we have taken in total. So how many players we have taken? 7 earlier and this 2. 9. Only 2 left. So 2 bowlers will pick up. I don't like to get with too many bowlers because bowlers get only 4 overs only, and batsmen get the opportunity to play entire 20 overs if it is their day. So batsmen generally gives you more points. But in case of bowling friendly pitches, you can take more bowlers. But this pitch seemed to be batting friendly only. Although yesterday was a low scoring game, but still, you see the tournament before that India England series, it was a batting friendly only. Okay, who are the bowlers? We have Kagizo Rabada, Amit Mishra, Avesh Khan, and here in RCB, we have Harshal Patel, Yuzvendra Chahal, and Mohammad Siraj, and Kyle Jamieson also. Although Kyle Jamieson contributes to the bat, but in the apps you will see he is given under bowler only. So which all bowler we would like to take? See, Rabada is not in a good form, but his records, if you check his past records against Royal Challengers Bangalore, it's excellent. And also he gets out Virat Kohli many times. There's a player battle of that Rabada gets out Virat Kohli many times. So that's the reason we'd like to take Rabada. So I am selecting Rabada. And if there is a change, if in place of Rabada or in place of Hetmyer or in place of anybody, if Nokia plays, don't leave him. Definitely take him. Replace anybody and take Nokia because he's in great form. He's not getting the opportunity because there are already 4 players in the team. If Nokia gets a chance to play, definitely take him. Okay, Rabada we have taken. Another bowler. You can take Avesh Khan also. Okay, for my team I'm leaving him. Amit Mishra also I'm leaving for my team. And this Kyle Jamieson is a good player. He bowls well. He is getting wicket in every match, but till now he haven't shown his best. Haven't taken any 3-4 wickets in any match, so he may or may not perform. For now I'm leaving him. Also Kyle Jamieson gives some good runs with the bat also. Takes some good runs, but will bat at number 8 or 9, so doesn't seem that will be of much useful to you. Chahal I'm leaving. He's not in his proper form. Out of Siraj and Harshal Patel, you can take anyone. This Harshal Patel and Siraj, you can take anyone. So I will go with Harshal Patel. See, Harshal Patel is taking 2-3 wickets in every match. Most of the matches he is taking 3 wickets. Even if batsmen are playing well, then also he comes in last over and takes 2-3 wickets. So don't leave Harshal Patel. If you have any more space, then you can take Siraj. That means if you want to drop a batsman, in fact, in place of Stoinis, suppose after the toss, if you feel that if Stoinis will not play, then you can take Siraj in place of Stoinis. Otherwise, this is the team. Okay, we'll summarize this also. Okay, now let's discuss about the captain. Who will be the captain? Well, most player will make Dhawan and Virat Kohli the captains, but we have to make something different to win. So I would suggest Virat Kohli. Okay, you can make Virat Kohli because Virat Kohli's record against Delhi Capitals is superb. He's having a high average and high strike rate against Delhi Capitals. This particular Delhi only. Virat Kohli plays excellently against Delhi in all the past IPLs. So whatsoever reason, you can take Virat Kohli. So Virat Kohli is a good choice for captain. And if you want to take a bit of risk, you can go for Padikkal also. So for captain, I am taking Padikkal. You can take Virat Kohli if you wish. Prithvi Shaw. Well, sometimes he performs, sometimes he don't perform. But to win, you need to take risk. Dhawan already most people will make. So vice captain, either you go for Prithvi Shaw or Smith is also a good option. So well, for now I am making Prithvi Shaw as my vice captain. Let me write it a bit properly. Well, I'm not having pen. I'm writing with fingers only. That's why. Okay. So now you have your captain and vice captain. To summarize with, I would like to tick the players, those who I have taken in my team. Dhawan, Shaw, Steven Smith, Uh, Rishabh Pant, I am leaving Hetmyer. Stoinis I have taken. See, if our Royal Challengers Bangalore is bowling first, no doubt, if Royal Challengers Bangalore is bowling first, you can take Mohammad Siraj in place of Stoinis. Okay. Anyways, so for now I am taking Stoinis only. And Bangalore side, Padikkal captain, Virat Kohli. You can make Kohli captain also. And then I take Maxwell. And De Villiers, one can't leave. Well, you can leave also because he comes down the order, and if he fails, you can get the benefit of that. But De Villiers, if he plays and you don't take him, he will one-handedly defeat your team. So I'm taking De Villiers also in my team. Among bowlers, Harshal Patel, don't leave him because he has played excellently in the past matches and he is in great kind of form. So this is my team. You can note down: Dhawan, Shaw, Smith, Pant, Stoinis, Padikkal, Kohli, Maxwell, De Villiers, and Harshal Patel. A few replacements if you want to make that Stoinis and Mohammad Siraj. You can play Mohammad Siraj. And if the pitch report comes, you need to search the pitch report also when the match starts. You will get in different websites. So if they say that the pitch is of spin friendly, then you need to change it. And you can take Amit Misra if it is spin friendly. Amit Misra and Akshar Patel both. And in RCB, you can take, well, you don't have much options. Yuzvendra Chahal is there. So, captain Padikkal or Kohli, and vice captain you can make Prithvi Shaw. A bit risky, but you can win it with it. So, this team is best for the medium type of tournaments, like where you are having 4x winnings up to some rank or 8x winnings up to some rank, because in those matches there is no use of getting first and no use of getting the medium ranks. And if you are playing head to head, only two people are there in your tournament, then you can go for the strong captain. Then you can make Virat Kohli captain and Dhawan as your vice captain. And if you are playing the grand leagues, people involving more than lakh of 1 lakh 2 lakh people, those 10 lakh contest 1 lakh contest, even 1 crore contest, there are 3 lakh 5 lakh contests also. So in those games you need to take some funky kind of captain. Suppose you take Akshar Patel as your captain and Padikkal as your vice captain. Like that you have to make, because you either win or lose. You lose most of the matches, and when you win big in grand leagues only. But for medium kind of leagues or for small leagues, this is the best team I have told you. Okay. So that's your team. I hope I have clearly explained everything. Captain, vice captain, you have to decide based on whatever I explained. And going for Kohli and Dhawan as your captain and vice captain is a good choice, but only for head-to-head matches, not for the great grand leagues. And for medium type of leagues, like more than 4 people, or some of those top out of the 10 people tournaments, out of 10 people only 3 people are being awarded, or 4x winnings up to some rank, 8x winnings up to some rank. In those type of tournaments, you should go for a captain who is of medium type, not the greatest one and also not the most poor one. Like example I would like to give you: Prithvi Shaw and Devdutt Padikkal. They are the best options for your captain, vice captain in case of this middle type of teams. Means more than 4 people, but not that grand leagues of lakhs of people. Okay. And what to do for those grand leagues? As I explained you, grand leagues need some funky kind of captain whom most people will not make. So you can go for a bowler, a lower order batsman, or anybody whom you feel that other people will not make. And in grand league, in most matches you will lose, but one day you will win, and when you win you will win big, really big. So those are the concepts. It depends on what type of league you are playing, also which app you are using, that also depends. Well, Dream 11 is having too many players and too much contest is there, because most people, this is the first app, one of the first apps, so too much people in the Dream 11 app, so there is less probability for you to win. I play My 11 Circle, it's good. You can also try for Game Z, House That, and many others, the new ones. You get less competition there. Further, once again I would like to remind you that playing is involving a bit of financial risk, so you have to understand yourself. Just don't copy the team, you just estimate the tournament you are playing how much you can spend, how can you can invest, and how much you can afford to lose. That's the main thing. So you have to play at your own risk only, and nobody can say for sure that these players will play confirm or not. So it's better to have an idea based on my video. So okay, best of luck, have a great winning. One more thing I would like to tell you, if you are a newbie, you need to join some app and register it. So even if you are using other apps, I would like to join My 11 Circle, because this app gives a lot of other benefits also, like with only ₹1 you can play the contest of 1 crore, and for the joining bonus you get, if you join under this link, the link I provided in description, you can just click on the link, download the app and register straight away. So if you join under my link, you can get bonus up to ₹1500. What you have to do, just click on the link given in description of My 11 Circle, download the app. As you click on the link, the app will open in your browser. App will not open, download link will open. So you just download the app as it is instructed, install it, and invest ₹1000 for your playing only and not anything extra. So if you invest ₹1000, you will get up to 1500 bonus for within 1 month. Like as you're playing the matches, first match, second match, for every ₹40 you get, I think, ₹4. So like that. So well, just investing ₹1000 and getting up to 1500 bonus is a good thing. So within a month you can get up to 1500 bonus. So that's a great thing to start with. Even if you are not able to win much, you can get the benefit of this bonus. So why not start playing today only with My 11 Circle? Okay, you can try other apps also if you wish, but I prefer My 11 Circle only. So another thing, as I explained in the video, the toss will take place at 7 o'clock, because the match starts at 7:30. So after the toss, there might be 1 or 2 changes in the teams, so that you have to change accordingly, because after the toss there will not be much time for me to make video, because the toss takes place at 7 o'clock, and then until the Crickbuzz and other sites show the teams, so it's already 7:10, so only 20 minutes are left. I have to make my own team, have to enter the tournaments, and then again making video. After that you will watch the video and then make your team. That's not possible, so that thing you have to do yourself only. The basic idea I have already given, so based on that, you know how much you can invest, how much you want to win, and all these. You play at your own risk, win at your own risk. So that's a great thing. Okay, if you like my video, you can hit the like button. Also you can comment if you want to do do anything else, or you have any doubts regarding the apps or anything like that. See, for winnings I can't take any responsibility, because it's totally based on probability, and whatever I said, whatever players I have predicted, it's totally based on probability only, so nobody can say for sure. And okay, fine, you can subscribe my channel. Many people will ask you for money also for predicting teams, but I don't prefer that, because everybody will guess only like me. So it's better you can subscribe my channel, and also click on the bell icon, so that whenever I upload this type of video, you immediately get the notification. Okay, bye, have a great winnings.